sorry.
See it? No, I watched it and it showed friends at work.
We don't want a big hole in there. Michael, just hold on to it.
Yeah, because you know I was sitting right there. I was sitting.
And I was like, normally you don't have that problem. Oh, sorry.
That's pretty loud.
Oh, really?
I finally got my breathing right in between my heartbeats. I'll go nugget it for Scott.
Just one 8-pointer in here.
So camp is really just through there, not that far.
Yeah, you walk. If you walk up to that woods and like 5 minutes.
I gotta do these joking once in a while. Yeah, cool.
Alright, so right now we're heading to the next bait site. One down, a couple more to go.
Okay, there's a 2-gallon limit to that.
He's going down, baby. He's down. He's down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. First morning. We just put an absolute UP giant down, baby. Oh, he's down right there. Oh my God. Oh, I pocket rocketed him, baby. Are you kidding me? I was watching that little buck. He just stared right in these woods. Right out here, popped him out. Yeah, baby, we just smoked him. Oh my God. Oh my God. We haven't even been in the stand for 30 minutes. and he's down. All right, so there's a deer right there. We just shot my biggest buck ever. I mean, we haven't been here that long at all. I just saw the rack and it's big, so I put him to the ground. We have a deer feeding out right over here, so I'll get her on film. I think it's a doe, but you never know. Yeah, over here. Oh my god, that's another big buck. Who's got my name? Look at this sneaky giant baby. Oh yeah, I center punched him. You know? Yeah, I watched him bluff. Oh my god. Isn't he? Yeah, he's a nice one. He's old. Big beard. Oh yeah. He's got a good one. He was on the move when I shot him. He wasn't stopping. Alright. Well, let's see what time it is. It's 2:35, and we just got into the blind. Got the gun loaded, ready to go, one in the chamber. All the windows are down and open. So, now all we gotta do is wait for the first deer, step out, and hopefully draw some other deer into the field. And it just might so happen again that we put another buck down on the same day. So, we'll see. So, there's a deer right here, a little spike, probably 40 yards, 50 yards, and over that way, we have another spike, probably 90 yards, and then to my right, down on the fence line over there, I had a doe pop out right over the fence, and then she stood there, looked around, put her head down, popped back up, and then ran right back over the fence and disappeared into the brush. So I keep looking over there to see if there's a buck, but just these two deer. So that's 8 deer tonight, 4 bucks, 4 does. Still a lot of light left. So Roger got a deer too. Not quite as big as mine, which isn't a surprise, but what does he look like?
Yeah.
Wow, you got him tonight. You could.
Still loose.
Yeah, he's a nice buck. Would have been an 8 if he had that brow tine on his left side. So, that doe was out there up until now, and something just spooked her, I don't know what, but she just sprinted out of the field, took off, completely gone. And I'm looking to see if like a coyote or something scared her, but there's nothing out in the field. There's nothing. It's just her.